ये हटना यार। क्या है? क्या है सुबह रहे हैं?
सर सामने आपकी सर
सर यहाँ पे
महेश जी
सामने सर महेश सर सामने सर सर एक सर इधर देखिए अभी छापता है ऊपर की लाइट ले रहा है सर ऊपर की लाइट ले रहा है नीचे लो एंगल सर यहाँ पे सर इधर देखिए ना सोलो सर एक सोलो सर एक इधर आया वो बताना वो नो ओके लाइट तो मारो यार
I am deeply honored to welcome them. Please give a huge applause to our chief guest, Honorable filmmaker Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, the gifted author Mr. Vinod Pandey, talented stage and film actor Mr. Joy Sen Gupta, and in-demand publisher Mr. Bikash D. Niyogi, who has been the true inspiration and reason for this event. Before I request Mr. Niyogi to say a few words, I would like to speak in brief about him and his publication house. Mr. Bikash Niyogi is the managing director of Niyogi Books, which is one of the youngest, fastest growing publishing house in the country. Started in the year 2004. Today, Niyogi Books has over 400 titles to its credit that have won many awards for excellence in both content and production, for different titles ranging from arts, photography, heritage, architecture, culture, history of South Asia. With the vision of Mr. Niyogi, diversification has been made to cover Indian English fiction, English translation.
It is my pleasure to welcome you all here today for the occasion of the launch of the book Sahavadi, the story of a concubine, which will be released by the renowned filmmaker Sri Mahesh Bhatt. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
I welcome Mr. Joy Sengupta, who will be lending his voice to a part of the narrative. Welcome, Joy. I'd also like to welcome the author, renowned filmmaker, Mr. Vinod Pandey, who has a way of converting the facts into stories, which he has proved time and again through his movies as well as the earlier book, Don's Wife, which is also a marvelous read. This book, Sawadi, like his previous work, With the Pen, is unputdownable, and I am sure you will see why in the next award itself. I would also like to welcome the August gathering present here. To name a few, Mr. Pradeep Chandra, who is already here, Mr. Pritish Nandia and Samar Khan, who are on the way. And I hope you will have an enjoyable evening. Welcome to you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now call upon the author, Mr. Vinod Pandey, to invite Mr. Mahesh Bhatt to unveil the book. Wow, that's a memorable moment. Thank you so much. Before I call Mr. Vinod Pandey to talk about his book, it would be befitting that I tell you briefly about him. 1970 का दशक एक औरत के लिए अपनी शादीशुदा जिंदगी से बाहर निकलकर एक मैक्स्ट्रा मैटल अफेयर में जाना बिल्कुल नामुमकिन सी बात थी. But here is Vinod ji. He made his first Hindi feature film on this difficult theme, and viewers all over the world celebrated it. A civil servant with the British government, broadcaster with the BBC, maker of documentaries and several ad movies, owner and creative director of an advertising agency in London. But Vinod ji gave it up all to finally be the producer, writer and the director of his first Hindi film, Ek Baar Phir. The movie not only became a very big success, it became a ticket back to his motherland. He went on to make 8 more films, including much talked about Ye Nazdikiyan and Sins. Mr. Vinod Pandey continued to touch upon controversial topics in his television serials too. He made 6 TV serials, including the highly noted Reporter, Air Hostess, and Deal Line. He has been the chairman of the jury of several important film awards, including the India entry for the Oscar on 2 occasions. Lately, he has turned into an author to fulfill his literary inspiration by writing his first novel, Don's Wife. Once again,
थैंक यू मनोहर जी. यू नो एक छोटी सी शिकायत है, डिमोनेटाइजेशन का मुझ पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ. पुराने ज़माने में कुछ दिन के लिए गलतफहमी हुई थी कि हमें भी छुपाना पड़ सकता है, कहीं तो बिल्कुल रवा हो गया. यू नो इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग हैपन्स विद मी महेश. मैनी टाइम्स पीपल डू आस्क मी, आजकल क्या बना रहे हो? बड़ा यार सिकुड़ जाते हैं इधर, क्या बोलूँ क्या नहीं बोलूँ, समझे ना. तब मुझे शरारत सूझती है और मैं कहता हूँ भाई मैं एक 3D फिल्म बना रहा हूँ. 3D फिल्म बना रहे हैं सर, पहले डबल टेक देते हैं. 3D आप सीडी बना रहे? हाँ, क्या टाइटल है? तो भैया टाइटल है संघर्ष जद्दोजहद स्ट्रगल. So you know, in the moment where you are trying to search your entire being, what the devil do you do? एक वक्त आता है कि you suddenly find there are no phone calls, जिनसे थोड़ा धन की उम्मीद होती थी वो भी कन्नी काटने लगते. So then you have to do something. You try to reinvent yourself. और फिर you आप अपने कोनों को टटोलते हैं भाई, what is it that you can do? And that's how. First, I embarked on a rather a gigantic mission, a novel called Beyond Frontiers. Beyond Frontiers actually was also conceived as a very big epic saga on television. And it was approved by erstwhile Doordarshan, and it was the power that it was, and the empire that it was. But then soon it lost its value in the face of the competition provided by the general entertainment channels, satellite. But satellites went on a different tangent altogether. So we found there was nothing happening. I embarked on that as a kind of a closet writer. हाथ से लिखता था, dictionary वो करता था. But then along the journey of writing that, it occurred to me कि जरा धीरे चलो, अच्छी जरा popular genre में चलो. So I started writing Dawn's Wife. And Dawn's Wife से थोड़ी हिम्मत खुल गई. And then you know, Savri, the story of a concubine. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये जो मुझे शेयर करना चाहूँगा महेश आपसे कि not only that you one got the fulfillment कि भाई जो कुछ कहना कह सकते हो, कोई किसी तरह का प्रतिबंध नहीं है. There is no any kind of a restriction कि भाई इतना लिखो, ये करो, वो करो, उतार दो जो कुछ मन में आता है. So one was able to do that, and this became the refuge. I will be honest with you. It became the therapeutic exercise for me. जब बहुत लगे ज़माने ने दबा दिया है काफ़ी, and if you succeeded in writing one page, I tell you, the high that one got was wonderful. So that's what happened to me, and that's how I am here. I'm writing the third book called Destiny. I'm more than half complete on that. And I tell you, I will not bargain this. I don't think. I would like to make films. If I have, there is a very unemployed director going, so anybody, I'm here. And of course, I have also made a short film. Other than making 4 films on my own, on my madness, from my own pocket, एक छोटी फिल्म भी बनाई है. आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा पनाह, because I think I ought to show that film to you. 21 minutes here, so I will come one day and show it to you. Please, I very much request you, जितना लिख सके लिखे फिल्म मेरी किताब के बारे में. I will be very happy. I have to sell myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vinodji. And now I would like to request